Good morning, dear children. Today we will study about integers. First, you have to understand what are integers. You all have learned about integers. Basic knowledge you have gained from class 6 also. Now, let's see a slide which will tell actually the meaning of integers. If we talk about the natural numbers start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Whole numbers, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Now comes integers. What are integers? Integers are generally taken as the negative numbers. Not only negative, positive also. So the opposite of whole numbers is the negative numbers. These all are positive numbers, natural numbers as well as whole numbers are considered as positive numbers. When we do the opposite of that, that gives you integers. Now the question arises that where are integers used? If we talk about the usage of integers or application of integers in our daily life, you must have heard about the temperature. Somewhere it's very hot. It's more than 25, 30 or 35 degrees. But somewhere it's very cold, maybe in Srinagar, in the hilly areas where the temperature is very low. If it's very cold, it means the temperature will be very low. Sometimes you must have heard it's less than 0 even. So when we talk about less than 0, that gives you negative, -1, -2, -3, as I have shown you in the slide. So integers can be defined as the combination of positive numbers and the negative numbers. 0 remains neutral. It's neither positive nor negative. Now, I'll tell you how to add, subtract, multiply or divide. As we all know, we can do both all the 4 mathematical operations on integers. Let us take first add. If we have to add 2 integers, there are 2 classes, two categories in that. One is same sign and one is different sign. If they are of same sign, what we have to do, as you can see here, we will add them and take the sign also. If it is -3 and -4, both are of negative, it will give you -7. If both are positive, simply you will add them. 3 plus 7 gives you 10. Right? Now comes different sign. If one number is negative and one number is positive, first rule, you have to subtract. Again, I repeat, if one number is positive, one number is negative, you have to subtract and take the sign of the largest absolute value. Whatever is the largest number, uska jo sign hoga, that will be taken as the sign of the answer. Now here you can see -5 plus 9. -5, this is negative and 9 is positive. First 9 minus 5 हम कर देंगे, वो आ जाएगा 4. Now here, which is the biggest number, 9 or 5? 9. 9 is positive, so the answer will also be positive. If we talk about -13 plus 8, one number is negative and one number is positive. -13 plus 8 will give you -5 because the bigger number is negative. So these are the rules of addition. Now when we have to subtract, what we have to do, we change the sign of the second number. Like if it is given -3 minus plus 4. So what we do, plus 4 becomes -4. If it is minus outside the bracket, the inside sign also changes. So it will give you -3 minus 4. Now -3 minus 4 can be added like this when we were doing here. -3 and -4, both are negative, answer will be -7. So when you are opening the bracket, that time also you have to see minus and plus will become minus. And minus will become plus. So -5 plus 9 will give you 4. So this is the way how to subtract the integers. If we have to multiply or divide, both have the same rules. Positive answer if they have the same sign. If I give you the example 9 into 5, both are positive. 9 into 5 we all know gives 45. If we take it different sign, means if we are having minus 9 and minus 5, sorry, minus 9 and 5, one is minus and one is plus. So it will give you minus 45. अगर दोनों negative, if both are negative, so minus minus becomes plus. It minus 9 and minus 5 gives you 45. So this way we have learned how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. So the new assignments will be given to you. Do those assignments in the notebook and learn these rules of integers. Thank you. Have a great day.